Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to install Ruby in Windows 10. So let's get started. So to download Ruby, just go to this website, that is rubyinstaller.org. I'll provide the link in the description. And then go ahead and click on download. Now go ahead and click on the recommended version, that is Ruby 2.7.3. So as soon as you click on it, the download will start. Okay, so now the download has been complete, so I'll click on it to install. Okay, so now the installer has been started. Now I'll just click on accept the license and then click on next and then simply click install. And then I'll click on next again and the installation will start. Okay, so the installation has been complete, so I'll just click on finish. Now to check if Ruby is installed, I'll just press Windows and R and type in cmd. Now I'll type in Ruby space -v. Here you can see Ruby 2.7.3 has been installed. So this was all on how to install Ruby on Windows 10. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.